I stay at the crib and I'm plotting to take over. Fuck what they saying, there's nothing to break over. Everything that I've been getting, I prayed over. I cannot stop it, you know I go way over. Way over with all the raps and the flows. Way over, I got it under control. I'm letting it down and then I reload. Blow. Used to be broke, now nothing can break me. And I think it's funny, cause I noticed lately the same ones that doubted me, same one that praised me. And I don't need nothing from nobody lately. And all of my teachers, they thought I was crazy. And I never knew no adult who could save me. And hold up, I'm running it back like I'm Peyton. I'm Walter, I'm White, and I'm pushing the weight up. I'm way up. Used to listen to my idols and I wonder how they did it, but I haven't been inspired by them for like a minute. I just play this shit back and I can't believe I ain't recognized to the level that it justify. I hit a level they can't deny. And I wonder why. God bless. I'm just getting started. I got this shit tucked. God bless. They say what they want, but they don't do enough. God bless. I'm tired of people, I'm calling they bluff. God bless. I'm praying for her cause she really need love. God bless. Wake up in the morning and I'm working on my stress. Deep breaths, meditate. Know I gotta get my mind straight if I really wanna be one of the greats. And they only see the tip of the iceberg. And I've been in the studio working on my words. And if it's about my business or my worth, I'm Marty Bird, dedicated to my work. I'm ruthless. Yeah, most handsome in hip hop, the truth it. Never listen when they tell me where the roof is. I'm gonna pop my shit. The truth is, passion is common, endurance is rare. You got excited but quit in a year. I'll be right here in the same fucking chair. So I'll be praying for you. God bless. I'm just getting started, I got this shit tucked. God bless. They say what they want, but they don't do enough. God bless. I'm tired of people, I'm calling they bluff. God bless. I'm praying for her, cause she really need love. I'm praying for you. I'm praying for her. I'm praying for you. I'm praying for you.